To be successful at this game, it is not about buying Microsoft at 2 and selling it at 200. That is not the game. The game is assessment of risk. This is what the whole game is. It's assessment of risk.
Mm-hmm. So this book that you've been talking about,
Mm-hmm.
Trading with DiNapoli Levels. What are DiNapoli levels?
It's a subset of Fibonacci analysis.
So do you call it a trading system, a trading method, or trading strategy?
Well, it would be an indicator set. They're leading indicators.
Mm-hmm.
So you know where support and resistance is going to manifest ahead of time.
Mm-hmm.
That's the basics of it.
Mm-hmm. So how do you use these levels?
Well, I tend to be a buyer on support and a seller on resistance.
Mm-hmm.
But I do try and do that within a trend, within an overall trend. And I don't use trend lines. I use more sophisticated means to determine what the trend is. And I use patterns.
Mm-hmm. What indicators do you use to find a trend?
The primary indicator is the MACD predictor.
MACD predictor.
Right. It's Gerald Appel created the MACD many, many years ago. And mathematically, there's a way to make it leading. Mm-hmm. And that's what I did. And it's very effective because it gets out in front of the market. See, what I want to do with all my indicators, I want to get in front of the market. I don't want to know what I should have done yesterday. Mm-hmm. I want to know what I should do tomorrow.